The morning after a barn fire at Chance Stables Equestrian Center, owner Bill Metcalf is coming to terms with the blaze that took the life of a pony.
It's everybody's worst nightmare, so could have been a lot worse.
The fire began around 8 a.m. Sunday morning with about 50 to 60 horses in the barn.
That's a miracle to get that many horses out at once.
The threat of a fire is something Metcalf has always worried about. He estimates the fire caused between $500,000 to $1 million in damage. He's hoping to rebuild quickly.
I know a lot of people and I know a lot of builders. We'll get her built and rock on. They'll be back to business doing lessons tonight, not stopping. There's don't need sympathy. We're carrying on with business. So we'll get her back up and then hope the hell it don't happen again.
The cause of the fire has yet to be determined. In Clarington, Mandi Hargrave reporting.